So we're gonna build this thing into a cab forward. We're gonna sit sort of here. Steering wheel will be right at the front, sort of like a Volkswagen bus. It's gonna be cool. Big old honkin' grill, and then big flat windshield, and then big flat roof. And then it should drop off like right about here. And then from there back is gonna be a truck bed.
I like it.
And this is gonna be cool because we can winch from our driver's seat. 45 some square tube for the floor. This is gonna be sort of like the halo that goes around the engine, and that'll be the base of where we mount our seats and where we're gonna sit. And then you've gotta build some crazy contraption suspension and put big honking tires on it. So that's what we're doing. All right, I got most of the floor built for the cab part of this thing. I'm just adding in this 3/16 plate over the tire section here, and this is also gonna be where the seat mounts to. Feet will go there, steering wheel, and now I gotta build a cab after that.
I got about 31 inches out of the chassis. Now I'm gonna roll it forward and clamp it together and get ready to weld it back together. The reason we went with 31 inches was because that'll still give us a little bit of a drive shaft here.
It's all coming together now. So I got the back wall in, but it's like super straight up and boring looking. So I'm gonna weld the roof hat on, and then I'll go back and I'll pike right above this back firewall. So I can kind of like lean the whole roof down and forward to give it a little bit of a rake. And then after that, I just gotta build my A-pillars that'll go up to that.
I'm getting ready to build the bed. It's just gonna be a flat bed, and it'll be at the same height as kind of the seat platform on the cab. So we'll actually have some kickers that come up off the frame to support it. I'm gonna tack all this together. Dave and I are gonna set it up there, get it all level, and then we'll burn it in, and then we'll start building the other parts for it.
It's still not done.
Morning, Dave.
Morning, we brought Eric here.
Morning, Dave.
This is Eric Filar and his daughter Heidi. They were on their way to the lake. They work at Motive Gear, and so we had them stop by just to check out our project. And now we canceled their lake plans, and they're gonna stay here.
And we lured him into doing gears, get it? Fishing joke.
Lured. Nice.
Got it, that was a good one.
That was a pleasure. So we got the axles out. We just took the carrier bolts out. We're ready to pull the carrier out. We're gonna put some Motive Gear 538s in this, and I believe a Detroit locker, and then we'll zip her back together. The Eaton Detroit locker is essentially anytime you're not under power, it allows it to ratchet so it doesn't wear out the tires. The second you're on the gas, it locks solid and gives you 100% power to both tires and keeps you going forward. So no more one wheel peel. You'll have both tires spinning the same rate.
Pulled the front axle apart. I pulled the axle shafts out. I pulled the front diff out. So now I need to pull the pinion out, and then it'll be completely torn down and ready to go back together. We did pretty good today.
We did things.
Front and rear lockers, front and rear gears,
Front suspension. This thing's dialed. We're like ready to go.